Hello everybody, today I'll show you how to scale your sketch. So firstly, we'll make a simple sketch with the standard rectangle, 50 by 50, and a circle in the middle, 20 millimeters, close. Now we will go to the draft workbench with the sketch selected. Use the scale tool. Here you can pick a point. I'll choose the bottom left. This point we'll choose from which direction it's going to be scaled from. Uniform scaling, if it's turned on, it's going to change all the values at once, like this. If it's turned off, you can change each value individually. I'll make it 4. Make sure to create a clone is on, and hit OK. And now we get a bigger version of our sketch. To make this into a real sketch, we will choose the Draft to Sketch tool. Click on it. With the space, you can hide the other two. And that's how you scale your sketch. Make sure to like and subscribe if you like this tutorial, and don't forget to leave a comment, and feel free to support me, link in the description. Thank you for watching.